Hi, it's Guy DiMartino. I'm a Northwest Indiana estate planning and probate attorney. Today I'd like to talk about the second thing that brings up fights between family members in the probate process after somebody passes away. And that usually has to do with the appointment of the executor or personal representative. Now, the role of the executor or personal representative is to handle all the business of the estate, to gather all the stuff, to do an inventory, to either pay or challenge certain claims, and then to distribute the assets of the estate when the time comes. Now, if somebody passes away with a will, and the will has a personal representative named, most of the time the court will appoint the named personal representative unless they disclaim or say that they don't want to go ahead or withdraw from being the personal representative, or if there's some type of impediment that somebody would need to challenge. Maybe the person has lost their mental capacity, or maybe the person doesn't meet the requirements of the state statute for acting as a personal representative, or maybe the person named as a personal representative is currently in prison or in jail and can't go ahead and handle the duties of being a personal representative, or maybe the personal representative has passed away and the alternate personal representative doesn't want to do it, or the successor personal representative just can't qualify to be the personal representative because of some type of impediment. So that's the situation with a will. But typically, if the person meets the requirements, if the person wants to do it, and they are the one that the person who passed away wanted to be the personal representative, the court is going to be really hard pressed to name somebody else as the personal representative, because the court wants to abide by the wishes of the person who passed away. Now, if somebody passes away without a will, they are considered to be intestate. And then Indiana state law would come in and say that there is a hierarchy of folks who can go ahead and be the personal representative. And the hierarchy generally has to do with a familial relationship. Typically, the first person that would be looked at would be the spouse. If there is no spouse, then they would look at the kids. And then if there's no kids, then they go to the parents and things along those lines. So, disputes can develop in between siblings, if there's no surviving spouse, as to who can act as the personal representative. So there you have it. That is usually the second area that we see disputes arise in the probate context. And many times it has to do because folks want power and folks want control. But if you have a will and your will is clear and the person can qualify, that person is going to be the personal representative. If you have any questions about Indiana state or probate matter, you can always give me a call. I am Guy DiMartino. Have a great day.